All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I teamed up with Sena Case to bring you, which is a case called Eraser C. Now, this is a premium leather case. This will run you about 50 bucks if you decide to pick this up. I've done plenty of videos from Sena with their product, with Sena from their products. And this is one that I was truly interested in. And so I reached out to them and they said, hey, yeah, Jay, we'll take care of you. Go ahead and help us with this video. So sure enough, they sent over a sample to me here, and just taking a first look at this case. This case actually comes for the iPhone XS, 10, iPhone XS Max. It comes for the iPhone 8, I believe, as well. There's going to be links down below. So before we get started, I want to thank Sena for sponsoring this video. And stick around, I'll announce information on how you could actually win one of these in this video. So keep watching. But it's your man, Jay Will, and this is a beautiful case right here. The metal buttons on here, wow, do you see that? There's like a metal button on there. For each button is textured, so that is really nice. This is a hand-stitched premium leather case, and that warrants the $50 price tag. So if you're in the market for a case and you don't want to hit Apple's selection, there are plenty of companies out there that make cases, but you just have to be on the lookout for them. So this case right here has the soft touch, grippy, matte feel in the interior to protect your phone. And this is just a beautiful looking case, just taking a look at it all around. Don't see very many cases that look like the back of a car seat. I think this is pretty cool. You can see like the stitching like that. Most seats that are race cars, you know, they kind of look like that. You've got some subtle Sena branding down there. I think this is pretty cool. Just the overall feel of the case itself feels great, man. I mean, this is I heard that this was going to feel good, and this was a great case. So that's why I wanted to get this in hand. But wow, this is really nice. It has that nice smell that leather has, that smells fresh. I mean, this is just a beautiful case. So let's get the iPhone XS Max and pop it in here. Wow, that is gorgeous. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is nice, man. This is a nice case. Really gives the iPhone something that it needs, like always, grip on the sides. But having a leather case is always good because leather cases wear in over time. And this one right here is a nice hand-stitched leather case. This is actually a really premium case. So your camera now it actually has a little bit of recess on it, if you're wondering. It's recessed just a hair. So you no longer have a camera hump at all. And the feeling from the case is just nice and grippy, like you know that a leather case would be. So let me take a second and once again thank the sponsors of this video, which is Sena Case. Now they did send over tons of things here, tempered glass and more cases and more cases and more cases. So I will be giving away in this video, as you can see here, I have tons of cases. I actually have one for the XS Max, the 10R, and the XS. So one for each. So if that's your thing, you'll be able to get a tempered glass and a case with this video. So this is actually pretty cool. Really excited to team up with them, man. This was something that I was really excited about. So how do you win one of these? Well, all you'll need to do is leave a comment down below. Letting me know why you want one of these and which iPhone you have. So you have to have a XS Max, a XS or a 10, or a 10R. So leave a comment down below. And also you'll need to follow Sena Cases on their YouTube channel and their social media. And I'll have links to that down below as well. So be sure to follow them, and we will confirm this when we pick the winner. Or you'll be disqualified if you're not. So you need to be following me too on social media and Sena Cases. All these things will be down in the description below. So, with that being said, this thing is awesome. Wow. This thing feels just as good and just as premium as I knew it would. Now, taking a look around the case around here, the bottom of the phone is open down here, which to me, that doesn't matter because a lot of leather cases are built like this. This isn't something that's upsetting to me, but I just like the feel and hand for this thing. And these buttons right here, these metal buttons stitched into here that are ridged, that is a huge plus, man. I just can't believe how great this case actually feels. And again, for 50 bucks, it better be premium. It better feel premium. So, you know, you gotta consider, if you're willing to give Apple a large sum of money for a leather case that they say is exclusive to them, you got to branch out and check other OEMs out, because in all honesty, even without the sponsor of this video, I was talking to somebody else who already has the case, and I was considering purchasing it. But then I said, whoa, let me scan through my emails and find out. And Sena, I've worked with them a million times, and I found out who the OEM was. So save yourself 50 bucks, enter this giveaway, and you have the opportunity to win one of these cases. So I've already explained to you how to win in this video, so I hope you watch the entire video. But it's your man, Jay Will. Wow, this thing feels great, man. I mean, it really, really feels good. And currently right now, I have a tempered glass on here that's not theirs. Now, they actually do have a tempered glass for this one right here. Here it is. This is it right here. Yeah, this is it. You can find this bundle for 50 bucks. But this is how the tempered glass is going to come. I like their presentation. It's got a little magnetic thing there. Isn't that sweet? And you get a full cleaning kit here, an installation kit. It's nicely packed. Wow, that's pretty nice that they pack it like that. And then here is the glass from their particular kit. It'll have instructions on how they want you to apply it. And let's take a look at their glass. Their glass is one of the glasses that has a cutout at the top up here of the phone. So it's going to have that little area cut out at the top, as you can see up there. And other than that, it looks to be edge to edge. So this is a huge plus. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, shout out to Sena Cases for sending this over for review and giveaway. So this is a huge, huge plus. So you will have the opportunity to win a tempered glass and a case bundle, which normally runs 75 bucks. So consider that, folks. This is your man, Jay Will. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Let's just take a look at it in a moment of silence before we get out of here.